so before this video starts, I just want to say I'm terribly sorry for not having the motivation to like edit and upload lately, because I've been dealing with IRL things such as schoolwork and all that. It's sorry, I just haven't had the motivation to record any update videos, Battlegrounds videos, anything like that. Overhaul got 2 new awakening moves. I haven't seen his awakening moves yet, so I'm not gonna fake my reactions or anything. I don't know. I've seen this part, it's pretty sick. Kalimshia's Rushdown, I don't know how to say that. Oh? Oh? Okay? Oh, 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 oh! Oh! Disgusted dismay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there a finisher for any of them? Is there a finisher? Oh, there's not a finisher. Alright. Let's hop into Publix. No, isn't this the guy that made bloody Feel It from Let's go, bud. Basic. Who the hell are you? Oh my goodness, dude. Oh well, alright then. Huh? What are you doing? Huh? Oh, complete luck. Oh my goodness. Oh! Get out of here, man. Rah! Rah! Yeah! Can I observe my random emote yet, Death? Oh my gosh. He uses evasive. Oh no, why am I lagging? Got him. Are you serious? Got him. Oh! Oh, with the gun as well. What is that? Ow! Yo, I'm just observing the cosplay, man. Are you serious? I had the same idea. Hilarious, man. What? No. Oh, you're kidding. No, he's blocking, dude. As if the children would say these days. Block spamming! Block spamming! Get the hell out of here. Why still on me? Why are you still on me, guys? Guys. This isn't safe. This isn't safe for someone. This isn't safe, guys. Guys, why are you still on me? Why are you fellas still on me, fam? You know what? Ah! Yes. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. You know what? Oh, that is ridiculous. Yeah, that's right. Ah! Come here. Wait, what's this? Oh. Oh, look at these. He's getting wiped. Oh, what a catch! Oh, oh, what a catch! Oh no. You know what? No. I give him credit for that. That was a pretty good catch.
2 seconds later.
Never mind. He said easy? I was being nice to him, man. I was saying, yo, I'm gonna give you credit for that. What, to himself, brother. And this man said easy? Are you serious? But overall, this update, pretty lit. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, thank y'all for watching.
Baby, I've been feeling away. I don't know why you made me wait. Yeah. Did I ever beg you to stay? We should probably try to run away. So I said I died silent. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I only recognize too high. I just fuck, fighting. Know you hear the phone when I'm calling.